So guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I will be breaking down my March income and goal report. Now, right now, time recording this, it is the 9th of April, and probably by the time you watch this, it'll be like the 15th or something. So it's pretty long overdue, but nonetheless, we're gonna get into it. I had my Meridian Mastermind event, then I took my mom away for Greece, so I didn't manage to record it. And then this week, I am off to Hamburg. I'm seeing one of my clients, training their team. They're like a financial services company, but they've got some new tech and anyways, a bunch of fun stuff. So yeah, this is literally the only time I can record it. So guys, let's get into it. This is the March income and goal report. So let's start off as always by just going over what the goals are for 2018. So guys, you can see tier 1, we have make $2 million by 31st of December 2018. That is $2 million profit. Easily have 100,000 YouTube subscribers, meditate 5,000 minutes, wake up at 5:30 a.m. 250 mornings of the year, complete a 5-day silent meditation retreat, host 6 live events, make $150,000 from affiliate marketing, and give away $15,000 to causes. So guys, let's hop over into strides and see how we're doing. So let's start off with make $2 million. Guys, these numbers are going to be updated because we're like 10 days into the month. So let's go ahead and go all the way back to April or March 31st. Yeah, we'll go around here. So 184,000. Let's just say, let's round it up to 185,000. And you can see we started off March at ended off Feb at 121. So guys, that is roughly 64,000, right? And you can see right here, we are projected to do $750,000 by the December 30th. Right now, I don't need to worry about this number actually. And daily goal we need to be hitting is 6,756. Now, guys, once again, this is, this will be up a bit more than it is right now, simply because it is December 9th. April 9th, the time recording this. So you can see we should be around $540,000 profit this year. We're drifting in around 220,000. So long away. But guys, that is why I increased my goal, because, I wanted to challenge myself. So let me touch on this a bit more. So guys, you can see right there, we did $64,000 profit in March. Now that income is divided between social media marketing clients as always, social media marketing clients, course sales, affiliate marketing, the Meridian Mastermind event, and AdSense and other stuff like that. Marketing agency last month brought on one client, Knightsbridge Dental Care. I think I mentioned that to you guys. This month, I've got a really big consulting gig, as I said, the financial services company, and I have a lot more consulting clients coming to me because one of my clients, we had a 2-hour call, and then they ended up making $35,000 from that over the space of the next 7 days. So they've referred me to quite a few people. So guys, that's how that's going. If you're in my social media marketing program, 6-figure SMA, obviously you guys know I'm updating you every single day with how my agency is going, direction it's going in, and stuff like that. And you guys know that I'm moving more and more into these 2-day trainings, 5-day trainings, stuff like that, where really high ticket consulting, $6,000 to $18,000 per consulting gig. So that's kind of where I'm going right now. But if you guys are in 6-figure SMA, you know a bit more about that. Apart from that, everything else went well. Course sales obviously went quite a bit down compared to the month before. That's okay. It was expected. Affiliate marketing was around like just under 8,300. And that was same sort of mix. So SaaS companies, ClickFunnels, Teachable, EverWebinar, Webinar Jam. These are affiliate offers I promote, or the main ones. And then normal course stuff. So different courses I was promoting, driving traffic to webinars and stuff like that. Guys, this is all done through my personal brand. I will show you right now what I'm working on. Actually, we'll focus on that over the affiliate marketing. But yeah, guys, projected at 750, so $750,000 profit in 2018. which is still shy of that initial $1 million goal. But, you know, I'm here to stretch myself. And literally just today, over the past like 3 or 4 months, I haven't really had time to invest in coaches and masterminds and stuff like that. But literally today, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I am attending Craig Ballantyne's one-day mastermind event. So that was $5,000 for that one-day event. And I'm looking to spend around 10% of monthly profits on training. So anywhere from $6,000 to hopefully $10,000 a month on just self-education, to try and, you know, speed things along. So guys, that is my money goal. So let's hop into having 100,000 YouTube subscribers by 31st of December. Now we are projected to do 78,000. So once again, very, very close, but not there yet. We can see right here, I don't know what happened there. We can see right here, March 31st, ended off at 23,000. Started off the month at around 17,000, so roughly 6,000 subscriber growth. I have to be hitting around 470 per day to get to that 100,000 goal this year. So feeling confident about this one. Honestly, I know at any point I can just buy more traffic. It's just how much am I willing to acquire a subscriber at. And right now I'm happy kind of coasting where I am right now, letting some of the organic traffic kick in, and you know, just doing my thing. I'm very, this is one of those things where I know I can always just pay for more traffic. As I said, it just kind of depends how much do I want to acquire a subscriber at. Then the next goal is easily have or meditate 5,000 minutes by 31st of December 2018. You can see I am at 669 right now, but ended off the month at around 621, started off at around 331, so around 300 minutes, so around 10 minutes per day. Some days I did it, some days I didn't. Once again, guys, I'm projecting around half of my goal, so this is nowhere near where I need to be. I need to be around 1,350, and I'm only at 669. So guys, after Greece, well, first of all, now that you know, it's taken a while, recently turned 18, managed to get all the companies set up. So I have a couple companies, limited companies under my name. And one of the cool things about limited companies, you can still technically do this as a sole trader, but it's just a lot better with a LTD. Like you have a much better leg to stand on. As I said, I can company expense literally however much training I want, and a meditation coach can fall underneath that. So now I'm getting a meditation coach twice a week. I've reached out to a few, so I'm getting a meditation coach to come here to the house and work with me twice a week, because, you know, this is a goal that if I don't have someone there holding the hand with this, you know, I'm sure as entrepreneurs, we forget to meditate and practice mindfulness and stuff like that when it's so damn important. We forget to do it. So for me, it's just about having that accountability and getting excited about it again, that, you know, it's something I can progress with, you know, not just an action to do. So that's that goal, guys. Let's all back in. Tier 2, easily wake up at 5:30, 2:50 mornings. I think my percentage has gone up since last time. Okay, so guys, you can see I'm waking up around 50% of the days. Today is Monday, achieved that. You can see in March, if you go look at February, it's a lot more, you'll see a lot more red than you will green. And you can see in March, you can see these rows of green, especially just Monday to Friday and Saturday, very, very disciplined. By the time Sunday comes around, you know, I'm with friends, partying, girlfriend, whatever it may be. So I'm usually sleeping in past that 5:30, but getting a lot more confident about this goal. Definitely still a long way to go. You can see, you know, whenever I travel, which was literally, you know, this past week, it gets a bit tough. Time zone difference and just, you know, not being in my normal routine can make it a bit tough. But yeah, getting pretty like confident about this goal. So easily complete a 5-day silent meditation retreat by the 31st of December 2018. So guys, I have given this no attention, honestly. Once I get the meditation coach on board, I'll ask him or her recommendation. Should I do a 1-day retreat, 3-day retreat, 5-day retreat? Should I even do a retreat? Definitely something I want to do, but have the help of my meditation coach there with me. Next thing is easily host 6 live events by the 31st of December 2018. So guys, obviously I had my first Meridian Mastermind event, put out information for my second Meridian Mastermind event 2.0. That, like, the demand was so crazy that booked out like instantly. So I literally had to open up a third, like a Meridian Mastermind 3.0, which will be 5 weeks after the 2.0. So you can find probably the video before this or something like that. You can apply, and I've got spots for that. So yeah, that's I know 3, and then I'll probably do 3 more Meridian Masterminds this year, and maybe 2 or 3 more, and then I'm hoping to host a huge event. Now, one of my SMMA students is actually an event planner. He used to work in New York and with all these like big shots and stuff like that. And I remember, we actually talked on the phone, and he said, we'd be happy to help you out hosting like a really big event. So that's something I'm looking to do. Just a bunch of ideas, but live events, speaking, public speaking, it's just, I love it, so definitely that is something that I'm on track with, but big aspirations for that. The next thing is I will easily make $150,000 from affiliate marketing by 31st of December. Guys, if you look at my current income, last month was around $8,000. The month before that was actually $8,500, and the month before that was I think like $3,000. But if you look at my current stats, I should clear $100,000. But guys, I've been playing affiliate marketing small. I'm literally this week, if you go look at my where is it, resources, I've been fucking around with my resources page. So what you'll find here, guys, and this will go live soon, is this is pretty much just all my affiliate offers and everything in one place. And you'll see, some of my approved courses, or let's just say my business tools. And, guys, I'm still building this out at the time we speak this, as we speak. And I'm working on all the bonuses and stuff like that. But for example, with ClickFunnels, you'll literally get ClickFunnels, and then you'll get all of these bonuses, right? And obviously now, because I have full-time employee just working entirely on my personal brand alone to help me out with all this stuff, customer support, customer service, stuff like that, making sure you guys get the best experience, I can start to offer this, and it's worth my time now because I don't have to manage the people actually getting on board with this stuff. But guys, this is kind of what I've been working on. So I am pretty confident that this amount of money, I'm very confident in hitting $150,000 from affiliate marketing. So guys, as I said, because I have this sort of affiliate portal right now, and I'm offering all these bonuses and stuff like that, and for example, with the courses, I just have to send them straight to the webinar. I'm very confident in hitting $12,000 a month, $15,000, $20,000 a month profit from affiliate marketing. And once again, I'm still playing small. When you have a personal brand and you have a personal brand, you build up this traffic and this audience, guys, it's just so easy with a personal brand. And when it comes to marketing, social media marketing or personal brand, I can honestly, I have no qualms in saying that I really know my shit, which is why these huge companies are flying me out, to literally train their team of marketers on paper with college degree and CEOs. That's why I'm being flown out, because I really know my shit when it comes to affiliate marketing. I'm not really an expert, but still, nonetheless, I'm still making $8,000, $8,500 a month when I've been so sloppy with it so far. So now once I tighten this up, I'm confident I'll make $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 a month from it. So yeah, guys, on track for that. I will easily give away $15,000 to causes by 31st of December 2018. So guys, I am obviously still 100% going to be doing that. I'm still just trying to decide what it is that really inspires me and gets me going. If you guys know me, you know the reason if you know me, you know the reason initially I've made all this money and worked my fucking ass off to get to this point is because of my mom. And if you know me really, really well, you know some of the stuff that's going on. And, now I have to work 100 times harder to pay for certain stuff and some of the issues going on. But that was my like initial drive. Now my next thing is, and the thing that I'm really, really passionate about, is just reforming the education system. So I'm thinking with this $15,000, I'm gonna sponsor 3 people. It's just an idea. I'm gonna sponsor 3 people, give them all 3 of them $5,000, and then some sort of involvement with me over the next year. So that's probably something I'm gonna do at the end of the year. Or, I can either do that, which is helping someone, go from nothing to changing their life entirely, or and doing sort of quality over quantity. Or I could, take this money to an impoverished, part of the world, and deliver the money directly and deliver the goods directly, rather than running it through some charity, which in my opinion is, I understand if you do it, I just think it's lazy. So that's it's one of those two for me right now, but it's definitely something I'm going to be doing. So yeah, that's going to be this year, and then next year hopefully that number is 100,000. So yeah, guys, I'm really, really excited for that. And yeah, that is about it, guys. To recap, March was really good. Honestly, I can say March. Yeah, March was really good. Like it was just another month, I guess. It said $64,000 profit. YouTube on track. Meditation not really on track, but we'll get there. And everything else is just kind of falling into place. My goal for April and the rest of, or April and May, for example, is really, really just, first of all, stay in London so I can continue to get in a flow, because I keep having to travel, first of all, for enjoyment and work. I was in Amsterdam for work like 3 weeks ago. Before that, I was in Tenerife for enjoyment, and then now I'm going to Hamburg for, once again, work. So goal is literally just to stay in London and get into some deep flow. And now my goal is to break that $100,000 a month, hit my first 6-figure month, and then after that, move on to $250,000 a month, because those are really the numbers I should be doing and need to be doing to hit that $2 million goal. And I've been doing lots and lots of work and research into rest, deep rest, and optimizing my sleep and optimizing my work. So guys, right now I'm only working around 4 to 5 hours a day. I've been looking at a lot of research about rest, and I've never believed in this whole like hustle your face off unless you're at a point where, like I was last year, where it's literally like you're in school and you're building a 6-figure agency and you're getting like 2-3 hours of sleep because you have to do that. I'm at a position right now, a very blessed position, where I have so much going on, but I've just brought on an employee. I've just brought on a shit ton of like team members that are virtual and around the world to help me with my affiliate marketing, chatbot, personal brand, social media marketing, delivering the ads, like bunch of different stuff. And I'm really, really just trying to drill down and focus on deep work every single day, and then enjoying my life, because I can honestly say, like, December, January, February, I was just I was a workhorse. Like I was a robot. Like you'd make a joke and I wouldn't laugh because I was so logical and stuck in my head, and working for 10-12 hour days. At the end of it, I just felt like I got punched in the face. So just trying to enjoy myself these days. And yeah, hopefully you guys got some value from it. It's coming up to like 20 minutes now. And yeah, would be awesome. Let me know down below how you guys getting ahead with your goals, and how's 2018 been for you so far. So guys, much love, and I'll see you in the next video.